Hey guys, before I get into the video, I just want to tell you about it real quick. Today was Sunday, 11/22, and conditions are really, really weak today, but I did my best to get the sound quality in there. I had to jack up the audio during editing of the video. But when you're watching the video, pay attention to the waterfall. That's the real indicator of the signal strength, at least on my video gates. Don't just pay attention to the S meter up here, but the intensity. And you can see today's conditions were weak. The intensity just wasn't there compared to some of my other videos with a real strong signal. The waterfall lights up like a Christmas tree, but today you'll see it's kind of weak. And also up here, you'll see the red S meter needle go up. That's pretty much like a peak hold that just pauses on the highest peak. But the more important thing is here, once the yellow S meter needle, that watch how quickly it fades, very rapid fading. So it was a little bit rough. So all right, without further ado, let's get into it. Oh yeah, real quick shout out to guys at CBRT website there, cbradiotalk.com. I say to Bozo and MD Youngblood out there, and the reason why I'm saying that is because they post up my Watergates on their video gates and Watergates forum there. All right, without more of my babbling, let's go into it. KP68.
Oh man, well you're on top of the pile, that's for sure. Whatever you gone and did over that way, it's working for you. Danielsan Tucson saying, wow. No, it's working for you. You got things tuned in right, I'm assuming, because it's working well. Man, good on you.
Look at this like that. You're built up there in Fresno.
Yeah. Let me get my knees up in the breathing. Motor mouth mall waving and stepping. Hey, Ricochet. 357. 919 and everybody else, motor mouth mall stepping right there on that. 10 footer, 207, 10 dp over there. You're on the band, ain't too doggone bad. Yeah, the antenna's working really good. And when 919, you say 131 says I ain't been nice to Mother Nature. Hey, 919, you say 131 Mustang says I haven't been being nice enough to Mother Nature. Their break. I tickle Mother Nature just right. Their break. Hey, Ricochet, you say Mustangs, Ricochet rolled it. Hey, oh, it's your Ricochet, motor mount, that down right there, breaker. The big antenna there, 357 and 10-4, and opening up the Amazon account to Mother Nature, their break. I don't know, if I open up the Amazon account to Mother Nature, it might be all over their break. Oh, I can hear 131 and backscatter. I don't usually get to hear 131 and backscatter with this antenna. I don't think this is the first time I've heard 131 in backscatter since I've had this antenna up and running for the last 7 days. But I hear him up there in backscatter, ain't no doubt about that. So I know he's got it going on if I can hear him in backscatter. Motor mouth mall stepping right there right now. I got down. Yeah, it's all about Mother Nature and the impedance being just right and the antenna being just like it's got to be for the conditions at hand. That's what I've gone for. Take care, Ricochet. At 357, you're right. It's all dialed in just about right, man. I tell you, this is just the beginning. I got another idea on paper in front of me here that's going to make this one look like a joke. Hello to you one more time, 357. Hello, Ricochet, motor mouth mall stepping right.
What if I just put just a little bit more in there? What do you think?
Hey, 357, there's two of you out there. Hey, 357, there's another 357 to keep up over you. It said 357. Hey, 357, you were out there, and so was another 357. Let me play that back here. I'm not sure if I was hallucinating or what, but I think I might have had a playback of that. Let me play that back real fast.
Well, that's for sure. Motor mouth mall. Keep it up. Johnny good as always. 357. 357.
Now wait.
Walk, you walk the walk. Keep up the good work. 357 isn't that.
So there's two 357s. Did you hear that? There's 2357 in there. Hello to you, 357 Tennessee. Hello, 357, the other one I got down.
Keep it up. Down and good as always. 357.
That's not you. AA357 Tennessee. That was the imposter.
Sure. Appreciate it. Motor Mouth Mall. Keep it up. Down and good as always. 357.
That was a different A357. You were after that. This is you.
You walk the walk. That's a good word. 357 and back.
And that's you right there. And here's the other one.
Appreciate it. Motor Mouth Mall. Keep it up. Down and good as always. 357.
There you go. See, there's two 357s. 357. There's two of you up in there. One of them's you, and one of them's the imposter.
Buy 148, buy 148. Sounded good, Dub Lucker. Buy 148. You got it.
Well, Mother Nature can do all kinds of strange things and bring all kinds of funny things out of the woodwork, too. So, what we got? That's for that darn sure. 357 in the 10. Motor Mouth Mall right there, right now. I got that.
658, happy Turkey Day coming up, my friends. Hey, 965, I know it's busy. We're just trying to do what we can do, get a little bit of talk time. Happy Turkey Day. Be safe, my friend. I'm going to get back in the bushes and read your mail. Mr. 965, Ratchet 27, working this 20-foot quad. I'm getting...